Welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, and today we are going to talk about an essential phase in the divorce process known as the discovery period. This period is a critical part of any divorce in Texas as it involves an exchange of information between both parties. Understanding what happens during a discovery can help you to prepare and protect your rights throughout the divorce proceedings. The discovery period in Texas is a formal process where both spouses exchange relevant information, documents related to their assets, debts, and income, and any other issues pertinent to the divorce. The purpose of the discovery is to ensure that both parties have a complete and accurate understanding of the financial situation, which is crucial to making an informed decision about property division, child support, and spousal support. Several tools can be used during the discovery period to gather information. Interrogatories are written questions that one spouse sends to the other, which must be answered under oath. Interrogatories can cover a wide range of topics, including income, assets, debts, and even personal matters that may be relevant to the divorce. Requests for production allows one spouse to request specific documents from the other. These documents can include bank statements, tax returns, real estate records, and any other financial document that could impact the outcome of the divorce. Requests for admissions are statements that one spouse can ask the other to admit or deny. The goal is to establish certain facts that can simplify the issues in the divorce case. A deposition is an in-person interview conducted under oath where one spouse's attorney asks the other spouse questions. Depositions are often used to clarify information provided in the interrogatories or documents and to assess the credibility of the other spouse's testimony. Subpoenas, in some cases, third parties such as banks, employers, or accountants may be asked to provide information through subpoena. This is particularly useful if one spouse believes the other spouse is hiding assets or not being forthcoming with all their financial situation. In Texas, both spouses are required to make full and honest disclosure of all relevant information during discovery. Failure to do so can have serious consequences. If a spouse can be found to be hiding assets or providing false information, the court may impose sanctions, which can include fines, attorney fees, or even awarding a greater share of the marital property to the other spouse. Let's consider the real-life scenario of Lisa and Mark and going through a divorce in Texas. During the discovery period, Lisa requests documents related to Mark's business, suspecting that he may be undervaluing it or reducing the amount of spousal support she would receive. Mark, on the other hand, is concerned about Lisa's recent spending habits and requests bank statements and credit cards records. Through the discovery process, Lisa's attorney uncovers that Mark has been diverting business profits and to a hidden bank account which had not been disclosed. This revelation had a significant impact on the case, leading to the court to order a more equitable division of the business's value and additional spousal support to Lisa. Without the discovery process, Lisa may never have known about the hidden assets, and the outcome of the divorce could have been less favorable for her. The discovery period usually begins shortly after the divorce petition is filed, and it lasts several months depending on the complexity of the case. It is important to respond to the discovery request promptly and consult with an attorney to ensure that all required information is gathered and presented accurately. However, discovery can also be a contentious process. Some spouses may attempt to delay, to obstruct the process by refusing to provide the requested documents or by incomplete or misleading information. In such cases, your attorney can file motions with the court to compel the other party to comply with the discovery obligations. The discovery period in Texas divorce is a critical phase where both parties gather information needed to reach a fair settlement. By understanding how the discovery process works and the importance of full disclosure, you can better protect your rights and ensure that the final divorce decree reflects your best interests. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legal insights. And remember, we're here to help. And until next time, take care and stay informed. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.